Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation at the rate 100 word per minute. Okay, start. In making their estimates of earning from freight and passenger traffic, and if our hopes of getting additional revenue materialize, I hope it would be possible to provide adequate cushion for the payment of the increased dearness allowance which may be given to the railway employees in due course sir, for improving the image and the working results of the railways, they will have to work very hard. It is too early to expect that the budget will not have any inflationary impact at all. The gap between the revenue and the expenditure for the year 1984-85 is of the order of rupees 144 crores, and this is a very big gap, and I hope that this sort of performance will not be repeated during this year. As things stand today, and if past performance is any indication, the prospect of any striking improvement in the efficiency and productivity of the railways is still very doubtful. Let us hope that this doubt will not materialize. For instance, in the year 1975-76, the railways carried 200 million tons of goods traffic, but in the year 1985-86, it is estimated that only about 190 million tons of freight traffic will be carried. As against this decline in the amount of traffic carried, the employees increased from about 14 lakhs to 20 lakhs during this period, with the wage bill rising from rupees 350 crores to rupees 600 crores, besides enormous investments in modernizing the equipment, acquiring new assets, etc. Then, sir, the other phenomenon which I fail to understand is the employment opportunities for the minorities in the railways. The minorities used to form a very appreciable percentage of the total employment in the railways. But today, sir, I think the railway authorities will have to try rather hard to work out a percentage for them. No doubt, sir, the Honorable Minister of State for Railways carries a lot of weight in the railway administration, but this weight is not at all balanced by a decrease in the employment opportunities for the minority communities. Sir, another important factor which I would like to mention is that efficient maintenance is the backbone of any transport system. It appears, however, that railway workshops have completely stopped doing any scheduled maintenance work for the last 2 years, and this has resulted in deplorable condition of coaches and wagons. In many cases, even the undercarriage maintenance is substandard. स्टॉप। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए। थैंक यू।